Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy, and in today's video I'm going to be going over my basic workflow for laser cutting using Onshape, Kiri, Moto, and RE3. Okay, so here I am in Onshape and I have this test piece that I just quickly designed. It is 25 millimeters tall and these holes go all the way through. These holes are 6 millimeters deep and the writing is 1 millimeter deep. So that gives us some different heights to work with. So from there, I'm going to be using an app called Kiri Moto. So to get that, you go to the App Store and then you search on Kiri Moto. And then you can install it if you have not done that already. But I have, so I'm just going to go back to my Part Studio. Then click on the plus, Applications, Kiri Moto, and that will open a new tab. So here we are. You can import the part you want to laser cut. And there it is. So up here in this tab, we have all the different modes you can put the program into, but we want laser for this. And I have set specific dimensions for my laser in this area. So from there, we start working with these options over here. If we just had a simpler part, such as this one, that's just basically a 2D shape we want to cut out. Then we do most of the work in the Layers tab. The offset value is kerf compensation. So I'm going to set this to 0.223 millimeters. And the height is the height of each layer that is going to slice our part into. If we leave that at 0, it auto detects how many layers it thinks we want. For a simple part like this, that normally works fairly well. So from there, we can just come over here to Slice and Preview. And there is the outline of our part. From there, I can go to Slice, Export, and download as an SVG. If, on the other hand, we have a more complex part like this one that has many different depths, if we just use these same settings and slice, it does one slice for each of the different depths. So if you just click on Slice, you can see it's doing one slice with the geometry that goes all the way through, one slice with these holes, and one slice with the text. So then you can go back into the Layers tab and start adjusting these parameters. So if I set the height of the layer to 5 millimeters and then go to Slice, it slices the part into 5 sections. Now, it didn't get the text because if we go here, we can see there's no slice at the depth of the text. If I just wanted one slice with the text and all the holes, I can go to Layers, Single, and then set the height of the single layer I want to slice. So if I set this to 25 millimeters, which is the depth of my part, and then I slice and Slice Preview, you can see it takes one slice at the very top of the part, and then I get everything. Another way to work with a part like this is to go back here and set this to 0 so it auto detects, and then go to Layout and click Merged, and then when we Slice Preview, it sets each different depth to a different color, so that it's easy to configure the different settings in the laser software. So again, once you're happy with these settings, you click Slice, Export, and download as an SVG. From here, I'm going to be jumping into RetinaEngrave3, which I'm using because I have a Muse laser, but this would work with any laser software. Okay, so here I am in RetinaEngrave3. I'm going to go File, Import Image or Drawing, and here are my two files. So So I can select one of those and import that. Here's this one. And now I want to get the other one. So here are both of my files. And from there I can configure my laser settings and then click Run. For this piece with the different depths, I can select these parts and ungroup them, and then select just the text and group those elements. And then I can select that and set different parameters over here. And the same thing for these circles. Once I have all those settings configured to my liking, then again I can just click Run. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.